Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. My name is Manvi Khilnani, and tonight I'll be staring this evening through some of the most exciting automobile stories and honors of the year. What an incredible evening this is. Well, just look around. We have some of the biggest names from the automotive industry under one roof tonight. The people who design these machines, engineer them, build them, test them, and of course, the people who spend their days talking about them. I have to admit, I did get a little distracted while my way inside because there was a galaxy of cars outside and a galaxy of stars inside. We're delighted to have LIC as our partner for the ABP Live Auto Awards 4.0, Delhi Tourism as our tourism partner, Government of Madhya Pradesh as our state partner, and our special partner, Royal Challenge Packaged Drinking Water. Tonight, as we celebrate the best of what this industry has achieved and what it has to offer, let's celebrate the decades of ambition, resilience, and reinvention that has brought us all together. Ladies and gentlemen, this is India's automotive industry, and tonight we come together to celebrate and write its newest chapter. Before we set this evening ahead, and before we drive this evening ahead, I would request all of you to please have your eyes at the screen as we come together to take a quick look at the world of automobile through the lens of ABP Live.
3 blockbuster editions, 3 historic milestones. And now, we return with the grandest celebration of automotive excellence, the 4th edition of the ABP Live Auto Awards. Every year, the Indian automobile industry raises the benchmark, and every year we celebrate the machines that truly stand apart. After rigorous testing and careful evaluation by India's leading automotive experts, it's time to honor the cars and bikes that have set new standards in performance, design, safety, technology, and innovation. So, who's taking home the biggest honors this year? Find out at ABP Live Auto Awards 4.0.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope everyone enjoyed this showcase. There's one thing that I want from all of you this evening, a little energy as we drive this evening forward. Can I request you all to please put your hands together as we take this wonderful evening, this incredible evening ahead in front of each one of you, the pioneers of the industry, the who's who of the industry. It is certainly time for us to fasten our seatbelts because we're about to take on a journey through the best of the automobile world. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for me to invite up here on stage Chief Executive Officer, ABP Network, for the keynote address. Time for us to please put our hands together for Mr. Sumanta Datta. A very good evening, sir. Thank you so much for being here with us. The stage is all yours.
Good evening. We are so happy to have all of you, our friends here today. You all are from the automotive industry. You all are the ones that move all of us, moves the entire nation. And we're so proud to be here with you, our partners, our colleagues, guests from across. We're going to be joined very shortly by the Chief Minister, Madam Rekha Gupta, in a few minutes. So I'll keep this very short. Thank you so much. You're all here. We're going to have an exciting evening. We're going to recognize all of you for the way that you move us, the way that you move a nation on the move. The last time I was on the stage for the Auto Awards, I quite proudly claimed that, I belong to the generation that used to wait for the vehicle to come. And there was only 2 cars that you could buy. You could buy an Ambassador or you could buy a Premier Padmini. Today, we are spoiled for choices. And thankfully, we are spoiled for choices. We're not only spoiled for choices as cars, but we are spoiled for choices that we make to really move this nation forward. Today's generation are choosing cars that are not just economical, but really have moved on from that great ad campaign of mileage kitna deta hai to really what it does. What does my car do to the environment that I am in? This is something that we live with in Delhi. And as I went out to welcome Madam CM, I was so proud that you were there in an EV. In fact, the manufacturers of that EV are here somewhere in the hall, so thank you for really leading the charge, madam, in helping Delhi become a better city. It not just reduces pollution, not just reduces the cost of running and the petrol consumption that we do, but I also believe that it will even in time reduce noise pollution, and we'll move towards a much better society together. So again, I don't want to spend too much time on telling you what you already know. We as ABP really work with each one of you, not just to launch your vehicles. We like to tell stories. And what's most important, that thankfully today, the auto industry is not just in the metropolitan cities, like the one we stand here in today, but actually entire Bharat is your consumer. And Bharat, every language, every dialect is important. We have to tell your stories. We want to partner with you to tell the stories of you, your brands, your products, your innovation, and your tireless perseverance to make us better in the language of their choice. And we are so proud that each one of you have chosen to partner with us. And today is our chance to celebrate each one of you. In our eyes, each one of you is a winner. I know you all will take back lots of awards, but you all are already winners in our eyes because of the way you moved this nation forward. Thank you and welcome to Auto Awards.
Thank you so much, sir. Definitely, it promises to be such an exciting evening. Ladies and gentlemen, taking this wonderful evening ahead, I'm sure you must be thinking, it's not one person's job to decide who should win and who should not, because in the eyes, everyone is certainly a winner. When we're looking at it's time for us to meet the people who've had some of the most toughest jobs of the evening, which is our jury members. Because before a trophy is won, every contender has to earn its place. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request all of you to please have your eyes at the LED.
Cam 1 rolling.
Rolling.
Cam 2 rolling.
Rolling.
Cam 3
Rolling.
action.
In today's world, there is no such thing as a bad car, and that makes our job of finding the best one even tougher. So welcome then to the 4th edition of the ABP Live Auto Awards, where we assemble the best cars and bikes to tell you the best ones launched out there.
Different brands, different technologies, different philosophies. But today, they have all one thing in common. They are here to earn one of the highest honors in the automotive industry.
Over the years, we have seen the global market evolve at a great pace. Indian brands are also pushing their limits. Global manufacturers are also investing in India. We Indians just don't buy cars. We invest in a feeling.
And that's why we have evolved the way we test cars, because obviously the cars around us have changed a lot as well. Hence, that's why this time at the ABP Live Auto Awards, we have tested cars according to the changed parameters. And that's why going beyond the usual parameters like looks, handling, performance, practicality, we're also judging cars more on technology, safety, the driving performance and the handling aspect, because this is also very important when today anyone buys a car.
But to pick a real winner out of such a powerhouse competition, you have to cut through all the marketing hype and see how they behave in the real world scenario. Gladly, I am not doing this alone, but I am joined by the absolute best in the business.
If we look at the cars launched last year, there have been a drastic change in the technology, features and the engineering. Plus, of course, EVs. There have been many more EVs launched last year, which makes our job even more crucial to tell you which ones are the very best. That's why this jury round matters even more.
So how exactly are we going to judge them? Simple. We are going to drive each of the cars back to back. We are going to scrutinize their design, how hard they attack the corners, how reliable the safety tech is, and most importantly, do they justify your hard-earned money? And hey, we haven't forgotten the bikers.
The Indian two-wheeler market has seen some remarkable launches over the past year, be it a high-end motorcycle or a tech-loaded scooter. Manufacturers are evolving like anything. Like our cars, these machines will also go through a jury evaluation. And trust me, we'll assess the performance, riding experience, ownership experience and durability and the technology of the bike. Because the one that delivers the complete package will be the one getting the ABP Live Two-Wheeler of the Year award.
But of course, the ultimate crown that everyone is fighting for is the prestigious ABP Live Car of the Year. Stay tuned. Coming up next are the winners of the 4th edition of the ABP Live Auto Awards.
Thank you so much to our incredible set of jury members who, of course, have joined hands in making this evening a successful one. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move ahead, we have a very special moment coming up tonight as we celebrate the people and the machines shaping the future of mobility. It is only fitting that we welcome a leader who is helping shape the future of our city and the whole nation as a together one. It is our absolute honor and privilege to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Srimati Rekha Gupta ji, to the ABP Live Auto Awards 4.0. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together as I have the honor of inviting her on stage. A grand welcome to a grand leader. Ma'am, before we move on to the award ceremony, we'd love to hear a few words coming from you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure little energy harms no one.
Good evening, all of you. आज की ये शाम सच में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, बहुत हम सब के लिए। ऐसी शाम जब हम में से कुछ लोग नॉमिनीज हैं, कुछ विनर होने वाले हैं, पर हर एक व्यक्ति जो यहाँ बैठा है इस इंडस्ट्री के लिए अपने आप में बहुत बड़े मायने रखता है। मैं आज सच में थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ एबीपी न्यूज़ के एडिटर रजनीश आहूजा जी को, सीईओ सामंत दत्ता जी को और आपकी पूरी टीम को, जिन्होंने आज का ये इवेंट इतने सक्सेसफुल शेप में यहाँ किया। और 4th edition of this event is really a privilege for our city to host this event. Thank you so much all of you. आप सब यहाँ आए और इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया। मैं देख रही थी जब आप सभी कार्स को यहाँ दिखा रहे थे, कोई दिल्ली नंबर का कार कहाँ है? दिल्ली नंबर का कार कहाँ है भाई? वहाँ पे आपका महाराष्ट्र था, यूपी था। आई हैव सीन डिफरेंट मॉडल। ऐसे नहीं होगा, दिल्ली में करेंगे तो दिल्ली के कार भी दिखाना पड़ेगा, दिल्ली का नंबर भी दिखाना पड़ेगा। और इतना बता दूं कि दिल्ली से बड़ा मार्केट आपको मिलने वाला नहीं है। दिल्ली आपके लिए सबसे बड़ा मार्केट होने वाला है। तो इसलिए आज जितने इस ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हुए लीडर, इनोवेटर, इन्वेस्टर यहाँ पर हैं, वो जान ले कि दिल्ली आपकी इनोवेशन पार्टनर है और आगे बढ़ करके आप लोगों का साथ निभाने वाली है और आपको एक बड़ा स्पेस देने वाली है। आज एबीपी नेटवर्क द्वारा आयोजित ये प्रोग्राम और इससे जुड़े हुए आप सभी ऑटोमोबाइल और मोबिलिटी सेक्टर से जुड़े हुए इंजीनियरिंग एक्सीलेंस में काम कर रहे सभी साथियों को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ कि जिन्होंने बेहतरीन व्हीकल नहीं बनाए, सिर्फ कि एक्सीलेंस के साथ में बेहतरीन व्हीकल बना करके आपने देश और दुनिया को दिए, बल्कि मैं ये मानती हूँ कि जिस तरीके से आपने काम किया इंजीनियरिंग पे, डिज़ाइंस पे, रिसर्च पे, सॉफ्टवेयर पर, उन सब के कारण से इस इंडस्ट्री ने अपनी राह बदली है। इस इंडस्ट्री ने एक ऐसी और दुनिया को ले जाने का काम किया है जहां ज़रूरतें बदल गई है, इस सोसाइटी की भी, इस दुनिया की भी और हमारी कंट्री की भी। उस सभी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को मैच करते हुए आपने लोगों की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से आज एनवायरनमेंट के प्रति हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को शेयर करते हुए और देश और दुनिया को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आपने काम किया है। मैं ये भी जानती हूँ कि केवल डिज़ाइन नहीं, केवल कंफर्ट नहीं, बल्कि इस पूरे इकोसिस्टम को चलाने के लिए आपने नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज़ का उपयोग किया है। आज की सबसे बड़ी ज़रूरत, जो सुमन जी ने कहा कि एनवायरनमेंट पे काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और इसीलिए दिल्ली शहर पूरे देश में सबसे पहली सिटी वो बन गई है जो ईवी सिटी होने वाली है, जिसके लिए एक बड़ी ईवी पॉलिसी दिल्ली स्टेट ने पूरे देश के सामने रखी है। और मुझे ये बताते हुए भी खुशी है कि दिल्ली में अभी तक का सबसे बड़ा ईवी बस फ्लीट दिल्ली स्टेट के पास है। कोई बड़े से बड़ा राज्य भी देश में जो है, महाराष्ट्र हो, यूपी हो, कोई भी, जिनके नंबर्स आप यहाँ दिखा रहे थे, दिल्ली से बड़ी ईवी फ्लीट किसी के पास नहीं है। तो छोटी सी दिल्ली है पर काम बड़े बड़े कर सकती है यदि आप लोगों का साथ मिले तो। और ये भी कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमारी जो ईवी पॉलिसी है, उस ईवी पॉलिसी में 2 व्हीलर, 3 व्हीलर, कमर्शियल व्हीकल्स, बसेस, हर एक सेगमेंट में इतना स्कोप है कि जहां जितना काम आप करना चाहें उतना कर सकते हैं। और ना सिर्फ दिल्ली के लिए, मुझे लगता है कि हर स्टेट, भारत का हर स्टेट आने वाले समय में दिल्ली को फॉलो करने वाला है। दिल्ली एक ग्रोथ इंजन बन करके देश का आने वाला है, जहां सबसे बड़ा मेट्रो नेटवर्क है, जहां सबसे बड़ी ईवी फ्लीट है, जहां नई सोच के साथ हमारी लीगेसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए नया उत्साह है। और ऐसे में आप सभी ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हुए लोगों को मैं कहना चाहती हूं कि आइए मिल करके अपने इस दिल्ली शहर के लिए काम करें, अपने इस भारत के लिए काम करें। नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमेशा एक बात कहते हैं कि ये देश की अपनी ज़रूरतें हैं, और बजाय हम इंपोर्ट करें, कुछ ऐसा करना शुरू करें कि ना केवल अपने देश की ज़रूरतों को हम पूरा करें, बल्कि आज हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसी हो जो विदेशों में भी भेजने के लिए हो। आज जब ईवी की बात हम करते हैं, जब बैटरी यूजेस की बात हम करते हैं, तो आज ही हमें सोचना होगा कि इन बैटरीज को रीसाइकिल कैसे किया जाएगा, किन टेक्नोलॉजीज को उपयोग करते हुए हम अपने इस मोबिलिटी को ग्रीन मोबिलिटी के रूप में प्रस्तुत कर सकते हैं। आज शहर की ज़रूरतें बदल चुकी हैं, आज सोसाइटी की ज़रूरतें बदल चुकी हैं, और शायद उन्हीं सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप अपने प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन करते हैं। उन्हीं सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप सभी को वो ऑप्शन देते हैं जो आज के समय में मायने रखते हैं। मैं ये जानती हूँ कि आपकी इनोवेशन और देश का ये प्लेटफॉर्म दोनों मिलकर के जब काम करेगा और एबीपी जैसे मंच आप सबको मिलेंगे, तो सच में नए नए टैलेंट और एक्सीलेंस उभर के सामने आएंगे और पूरा वर्ल्ड उनको रिकग्नाइज कर पाएगा। तो मेरी ओर से आप सभी को ढेर सारी बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। आज का हर एक पार्टिसिपेंट मुझे लगता है विनर है, क्योंकि आपने अपनी मेहनत में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी है और उसी मेहनत के सहारे ये मैं समझती हूँ कि भारत आगे बढ़ने वाला है। आपकी इनोवेशन, आपका एक्सीलेंस, आपकी जितनी मेहनत है वो सब हमारे देश के काम आने वाली है। आइए भारत के लिए एक नया सवेरा, क्योंकि बहुत साल हो गए हमारे देश की आज़ादी को, 78 ईयर हो चुके हैं। अब इस बार का जब 15 अगस्त आएगा तो हम अपने आज़ादी के 79th ईयर में चले जाएंगे। पर मैं अभी रजनीश जी से बात कर रही थी, सुमंता जी से बात कर रही थी कि क्या हमारा देश उतना ग्रो कर पाया है जितना हमें एक्चुअल में कर लेना चाहिए था? अभी तक नहीं कर पाए हम। जिस स्पीड में हमें चलना चाहिए तो शायद नहीं कर पाए। आज भी हमारे देश में बहुत सारे ऐसे सेगमेंट हैं जिस पे काम किए जाने की ज़रूरत है। नो डाउट आज पूरा वर्ल्ड भारत को एक बड़ी मार्केट के रूप में देखता है और यहाँ की ज़रूरतों के हिसाब से अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को डिज़ाइन करता है। तो आइए मिल करके अपने देश के लिए डिज़ाइन करें, अपने देश के लिए काम करें और इस पूरे इकोसिस्टम को देश हित में आगे बढ़ाएं। थैंक यू सो मच, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑल ऑफ यू। ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहिए। थैंक्स टू एबीपी लाइव कि आपने एक मंच दिया सभी ऐसी हस्तियों को, ऐसे टैलेंट्स को जो आगे बढ़ करके देश को आगे ले जाने का काम कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ma'am, I would request you to please be on stage with us. Ladies and gentlemen, rightly said by ma'am. Thank you of course first for your kind words. बदल रहा है देश मेरा, एक बेहतर भारत का सपना देख रहा है देश मेरा, नया जोश, नया उल्लास, and I think what better place to have this event in the heart of Delhi, which of course is a beautiful mix, amalgamation of history and vision and experience. On that note, I will request Mr. Sumanta Datta, CEO ABP Network, alongside Mr. Rajneesh Ahuja, Executive Vice President ABP Network, to please take a moment, join us here on stage and take this opportunity to thank Honorable Chief Minister Delhi, Ms. Rekha Gupta ji, as she could be kind enough and humbled enough to be a part of this wonderful, wonderful evening. Ladies and gentlemen, can I request you all to please put in your hands together? Thank you so much. On that note, I would request all three of you to please stay back on stage. The reason that all of us, we've come together tonight, celebrate the who's who of the industry, celebrate the best of engines, the best of machines, the best of brains, the best of creativity, and of course the list goes on. Ma'am, we would love if you be on stage with us to give away the next set of awards. In fact, we begin with the first set. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with our first category, Commuter of the Year. And time for me to announce the winners. Please put your hands together as we welcome on stage Hero Glamour X125, joining us here on stage as the winner of the category Commuter of the Year. Let the energy soar and roar this evening. Come on, everybody. I want you all to please join hands, put your hands together, and make this louder. Congratulations to Commuter of the Year, Hero Glamour X125. Congratulations. We now move on to our next category, Subcompact SUV of the Year. Any guesses? Time for me to welcome on stage our winners of this category, Hyundai Venue. And to collect this award, it is going to be my honor to invite CEO Hyundai Motor India, Mr. Tarun Garg. Come on, everybody. And I think this is the perfect moment. I think we can all come together and hear some few words coming from the man himself, Mr. Tarun Garg. So we'd love to hear a few words coming from you. Absolutely, the podium is all yours.
Thank you very much, and it's an absolute honor to receive the award from the Madam Chief Minister. And thank you, Madam, for really bringing in the EV policy. आपने बोला कि भाई यहाँ पे मैंने कोई भी दिल्ली की गाड़ी नहीं देखी क्योंकि आपने तो सारी गाड़ियाँ EV कर दी हैं, तो फिर इसलिए यहाँ पे आपने शायद गाड़ी नहीं देखी. So, but anyway, on behalf of Hyundai, I'd like to really thank ABP News for bestowing this honor on the venue. You know, venue is our product in the new state-of-the-art Pune plant, and we are very proud that the venue has received almost all the awards which the Indian auto industry has to offer. And I'll again like to thank Madam and of course ABP News for this honor. Thank you very much.
Congratulations and many more awards coming for you this evening. We now move on to our very, very interesting category, Performance EV of the Year. MG Cyberstar taking this award home. Congratulations to Performance EV of the Year, MG Cyberstar. And of course, we'd love to hear a few words coming from the winners themselves. We'd love to hear a few words coming from the winners again.
Thank you so much. It's a wonderful moment for a brand to receive a prestigious award from the Madam Chief Minister. And glad to know that you drive MG Vinsa as well. So thank you for your EV policy and driving the EV growth. Thank you everyone.
A nation that we're proudly celebrating. It's the world of mobility, it's the world of EVs. We now move on to our next category, EV Manufacturer of the Year. And recently they've made their entry into India. It is time for us to welcome on stage. Any guesses? EV Manufacturer of the Year goes to VinFast. I would request Mr. Tapan Ghosh, CEO VinFast India, to please join us on stage. Congratulations. Come on, everybody. I'm sure we can go bigger with the numbers here. Sir, of course, I will not let you go like that. We'd love to hear a few words coming from you as well.
Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute honor to receive this prestigious award from Madam Chief Minister. We are a new entrant in the Indian market. We started our operations less than a year back, but winning the EV Manufacturer of the Year means a lot to us. It motivates us, and I must really thank AVP, the jury members, our channel partners, our VinFast global team, our VinFast India team, and of course, the most important, our customers who have really reposed their faith and trust on our brand. Thank you so much, and thank you, ma'am, again.
Well, thank you so much. A huge round of applause for all the winners so far. We now move on to our next category of awards, and of course, this is a night of celebration. Let's move on to, so if we can just be, if I can request you to be on stage with us for some more moments. Yes? And if I'm not asking for too much. But of course, energy check in the room. Are we great, everybody? Fantastic. Okay. Okay, so I would like to thank Rekha Gupta ma'am for joining us here. Thank you so much. I will request all of you to please put your hands together and thank ma'am for joining us here. Thank you, ma'am. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we take you somewhere very, very different. Some journeys are measured in miles, while some are measured in stories. There are places in our country that millions have only heard about, but very few, in fact, a very handful, have got the opportunity to experience. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we have your eyes at the LED as we'd like to showcase a beautiful AV.
दिल्ली को मोरे दिल में बसे रो दिल्ली को मोरे दिल में बसे रो दिल्ली को मोरे दिल में बसे रो ऐसी मोहक छवि बनाए ऐसी मोहक छवि बनाए नैनन को सुख दीनो
I'm sure this beautiful AV has caught our attention, and there's more to explore. You'll find standees outside with a QR code. All you have to do is simply scan the QR code to know more and get in touch with our team. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, with the same energy, with the same spirit, we drive this evening to our next segment of awards. Of course, the energy in the room continues, and I'm sure it's going to roar and soar. We start with our next category, ladies and gentlemen. The worthiest of this category, Design of the Year. To do the honors, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Achantya Mehrotra, automotive expert and esteemed jury member, to present this award. Can we please have the envelope on stage?
The design of the year goes to Tata Sierra.
Ladies and gentlemen, Design of the Year, the winner is Tata Sierra. Please give it up for our winners, Design of the Year, Tata Sierra. Congratulations. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we now have our next category, Premium Bike of the Year. To do the honors, can I request Mr. Rajneesh Ahuja, Executive Vice President, ABP News, to please join us on stage.
The Premium Bike of the Year, BMW R1300 GSA.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Next up, once again, we move on to our next category, which is Car Manufacturer of the Year. And to do the honors, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Sunil Goswami, Head Digital Videos, ABP Network, to do the honors. Oh, we have Mr. Subhanta Datta joining us once again to do the honors. When there are three incredible leaders on stage, it's not fair if I announce the names. Let's see who the winners of this category are.
It's my absolute honor, as I said in the beginning on my speech, that I grew up in the era of Ambassador and Premier Padmini. And then life changed for us. The car manufacturer of the year, Maruti Suzuki, everyone's favorite for a long, long, long time. Please put your hands together.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up louder for Car Manufacturer of the Year, Maruti Suzuki. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we all, with the same spirit and the same thrill, of course, move on to our next category, which is Technology Car of the Year.
The Technology Car of the Year, and it's really a proud moment for all of us to announce this, is Mahindra XEV 9e.
Please give it up louder for Technology Car of the Year, Mahindra XEV 9e. Thank you so much. Congratulations for taking this wonderful honor back home with you. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us here on stage and doing the honors. And start with the next category, which is Business Leader of the Year. To do the honors, can I once again request Mr. Sumanta Datta, Chief Executive Officer, ABP Network, to join us here on stage. Now that we've got back with some more energy, come on, let's be together and celebrate the visionaries, the pioneers. And the Business Leader of the Year.
The Business Leader of the Year, put your hands together. Please put your hands together. Partho Banerjee.
One of the most admired leaders in the Indian automotive industry, a thought leader who's well known for his contribution towards the incubation and launch of Nexa Sales and Service Channel. Joining us here on stage, we have Business Leader of the Year, Mr. Partho Banerjee. Congratulations. Congratulations, our dynamic personality, and as I mentioned, one of the most admired leaders in the Indian automotive industry. Wonderful to have you as a part of this evening, and congratulations on this wonderful honor. We now move on to our next category. Once again, I would request you to announce who the winner of this category is, which is Automotive Personality of the Year. And let's see who the winner of this category is.
The Automotive Personality of the Year. Put your hands together, please. Mr. Tarun Garg from Hyundai.
Mr. Tarun Garg, let's welcome you on stage. What a wonderful honor, being Automotive Personality of the Year. Congratulations, sir. And I've also just been told that we will not let you go like this. We will not let you slide like this. We'll hold on the gear here and put on to brake, and we'd love to hear a few words coming from you. Ladies and gentlemen, louder for our winner, Automotive Personality of the Year, Mr. Tarun Garg.
Thank you very much. It's a huge honor, of course. More so because I believe that as the first Indian ever to lead Hyundai in India, it's a big responsibility. We all know that Indians are really kind of leading the world everywhere, and since I joined 1st January 26 and took charge, I think I feel so much emotion and so much honor that wherever I'm going, whenever I'm meeting, even whether it's the people from the government, whether it is people from the industry, that pride comes in. And on behalf of Hyundai Motor India, it's a huge privilege for me to really accept this award from ABP News. So I want to thank the ABP team for recognizing this. And I assure you that as far as Hyundai is concerned, we have had some great 30 years in India. And we are working very hard to make sure that the next 30 years in India will be as great, if not greater, than what we have done in the past 30 years. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. And as rightly said, when people come together to achieve the right mix of community, creativity, and collaboration, exemplary and remarkable things happen. Tonight is just a true testament to all our hard work. We now move on to our next category, which is Value for Money Car of the Year. To do the honors, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Pushan Chakrabarti, Chief Financial Officer at ABP Network. Sir, can we please have you on stage? Good evening, sir. Mr. Pushan Chakrabarti joining us here on stage to announce the winners of our next category, Value for Money Car of the Year. Let's see who the winner of this category is.
Oh, good surprise. It's VinFast once again.
Please give it up for our winners. VinFast VF6. Congratulations. I'm sure we can all be together. Appreciate everyone who's coming up here on stage. Wonderful to see all of you here with us. Congratulations. Sir, if I can request you to please be on stage for the next category as well. And we move on to our next category, which is Premium Family Car of the Year. And let's see who the winner of this category is. Premium Family Car of the Year.
Truly a family car. Hyundai once again.
Let's welcome on stage Hyundai Creta Electric Premium Family Car of the Year. Congratulations to the entire Hyundai family. Looks like all of them have certainly come in like a family. Yes, in the Hyundai Creta. Thank you so much. We now move on to our next category. Mr. Pushan, I want you to stay back with us for this one as well. And ladies and gentlemen, let's once again fasten our seatbelt because we have Performance SUV of the Year. Let's see who the winner of this category is.
It's Audi RS-Q8.
Give it up louder for Audi RS-Q8. Performance SUV of the Year. Congratulations to Audi RS-Q8. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for joining us here on stage and presenting these categories for us. We now move on to our next category, Luxury EV of the Year. To do the honors, I'd like to welcome on stage Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, National Sales Director, Government Sales, ABP Network. Let's see who the winner of this category is, Luxury EV of the Year.
Luxury EV of the year goes to Tesla.
Tesla Model Y, can we please have you on stage? Winning the category of Luxury EV of the Year. The The champions joining us here on stage, and the champions and the stars sitting out there creating so much passion in this room. Come on everyone, let's keep cheering out for everyone who's coming here on stage. Congratulations to all the winners so far. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here on stage. Now let's move on to our next category, which is EV of the Year. To do the honors, can I please have the privilege of inviting on stage Mr. Gautam Datta, Associate Vice President and National Sales Director, ABP Network. Good evening, sir.
And the EV of the Year, VinFast VF7.
VinFast VF7 EV of the Year. You know, it's so wonderful to see that people have traveled from across the country, across the nation to be a part of this evening. We're so honored and we're so privileged to have all of you as a part of this evening. Congratulations for being AV of the Year. We now move on to our next category, Performance Car of the Year. And to do the honors, can we please have on stage Business Head Concert and Large Events at ABP Network, Mr. Rajat Uppal. Good evening, sir. The energy is going only up and up from here. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's make this louder. Performance Car of the Year. Let's see who the winner of this category is.
The Performance Car of the Year, any guesses? It's Volkswagen Golf GTI.
Volkswagen Golf GTI joining us here on stage, winning the category of Performance Car of the Year. Congratulations. Sir, I'd request you to stay back on stage for the next category as well. MPV of the Year, and let's see who the winner of this category is.
MPV of the Year, MG M9.
MG M9! MPV of the Year. We're close to 200 people in the room, and I'm sure we can all be together. Come on, wonderful. Congratulations. Congratulations to the entire team of MG. Thank you so much, Mr. Rajat, for doing the honors. We now have our next category, which is Lifestyle Car of the Year. To do the honors, I'd like to welcome on stage Regional Director at Sales ABP Network, Miss Poonam Batra, joining us here on stage as a presenter of the next category, Lifestyle Car of the Year.
And the award goes to Tata Sierra.
Tata Sierra winning the category of Lifestyle Car of the Year. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. We now move on to our next category, which is Emerging EV Brand. To do the honors, I'd like to once again welcome on stage Mr. Gautam Datta, Associate Vice President and National Sales Director, ABP Network. Emerging EV Brand. Let's see who the winner of this category is.
Emerging EV Brand, Nilgiri Motorcorp Private Limited.
Nilgiri Motorcar Private Limited, congratulations for winning the category of Emerging EV Brand. on, everybody. Let's give it up louder for our champions, emerging EV brand. With this, let's move on to our next category, EV Scooter of the Year. Can I request Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, National Sales Director, Government Sales, ABP Network, to take his place on stage and announce the winner of EV Scooter of the Year.
EV Scooter of the Year, TVS Orbiter.
TVS Orbiter. That's primarily the first category wherein we have heard people literally shouting. Give it up for EV Scooter of the Year, TVS Orbiter joining us here on stage. How wonderful it would be when all the achievers are coming on stage with this woo and these whistles and these claps out there. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. With this, we now move on to our next category, which is PR Team of the Year. To do the honors, we'd like to welcome on stage President Revenue Growth and Business Development, ABP Network, Miss Mona Jain. Can we once again have you on stage? Good evening. Happy to have you once again on stage.
Hyundai Motor India.
PR Team of the Year, we have Hyundai Motor India joining us on stage. Looks like that was quite expected, not expected, but let's get you on stage. Congratulations. Congratulations once again to the entire Hyundai team. How many awards now? That adds up to how many awards? 3, 4, maybe more? More? All right, let's keep our fingers crossed. Not just for you, for everyone here tonight. Okay, everybody, quick energy check. Everybody, are we good? We're great, we're awesome. We're good, we're great, we're awesome. Come on, everybody. Love this. All right, we get back in action and move on to our next segment, which is SUV of the Year. Once again, I am going to request Miss Mona Jain to join us here on stage and give away this award as well. Don't the presenters deserve a big, big, big hand? Come on, everybody. I'm sure they do, right? Thank you. We have Maruti Suzuki Victoris joining us here on stage as SUV of the Year. Congratulations to SUV of the Year, Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ma'am, can I request you to please be on stage for the next category as well, which is Luxury Car of the Year. As the name sounds, this is luxury. It has to be together. It has to be as one. It has to be something exclusive. It has to be something exquisite. Time for us to announce the winners of Luxury Car of the Year.
The winner is BMW iX1 LWB.
Let's welcome on stage BMW iX1 LWB, Luxury Car of the Year. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us here on stage. Wonderful. With this, we come back to our last two awards of this evening, the ABP Live Auto Awards 4.0, as we mentioned, after 3 successful milestones and three successful editions. We now move on to Bike of the Year. To do the honors, can I request Mr. Sumanta Datta joining us here on stage, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, ABP Network. I would also request Mr. Rajneesh Ahuja up here on stage to join him alongside and present Bike of the Year.
Bike of the Year, TVS RTX 310.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for TVS RTX 310. Congratulations, TVS RTX 310. Congratulations. Can I also request Mr. Somnath Chatterjee to please join us here on stage and be a part of this last award of this evening. I thought this is the last award. It has to be exclusive, right? It has to be special. And it has to be supported by everybody who's here with us. We now come together to celebrate our last award category, which is Car of the Year.
So the Car of the Year is, I think it's time for me to reveal.
Absolutely.
It's the Maruti Suzuki Victoris.
Ladies and gentlemen, Car of the Year, Maruti Suzuki Victoris taking the lead. The energy has to be top-notch. Car of the Year, Maruti Suzuki Victoris taking the lead. Together, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you to our presenters and congratulations to our winners. You know, winners celebrate themselves more than everybody else does. So I'm sure we're in that celebration mode right now. Thank you to our presenters. Thank you so much for doing the honors for us. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I am sure you'd all agree with me. What an absolute and an incredible ride this has been. We have celebrated the people, we have celebrated the ideas, we have celebrated everything that is here and that is shaping the future of mobility. To all our nominees, to all our jury members, to all our winners, to all our industry friends, experts, everyone from the media, thank you for being a part of ABP Live Auto Awards 4.0. I'd also take a moment and thank once again our partners, LIC as our special partner, Royal Challenge Packaged Drinking Water, as our special partners, of course, LIC as our partners, our tourism partner, Delhi Tourism, our state partner, Government of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful evening. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Manvi Khilnani, and it has been an absolute delight to be in front of each one of you out there. Before we go, when we are happy, we put our hands together, we celebrate this moment together. So let's do this one last time for all of you here. You're amazing, and we hope this association of you all with us, ABP Live, it continues to grow even more in the years to come. I wish you all a great evening. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all very soon. Everyone, thank you everyone for joining us here with us.